Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Fiat 500 headlight bulb. This is an easy method that requires no special tools, making it a simple do-it-yourself task. We will cover everything from preparing your vehicle to testing the new bulb. You can complete this replacement in about 25 to 30 minutes, saving you money and ensuring your car is safely lit. First, open your car's bonnet and ensure it is securely propped open. Next, locate the back of the headlight unit you need to service. You will see a round plastic or rubber cover directly behind the bulb housing. Gently turn this cover about a quarter turn counterclockwise or simply pull it straight off to expose the bulb and its wiring. This step is crucial for gaining access. Now, carefully disconnect the electrical wiring harness from the back of the bulb. Once disconnected, you can remove the old bulb. Depending on your model, this might involve a slight counterclockwise twist of about 30 to 60 degrees or simply pulling it straight out. Take your new bulb and, holding it by its base, insert it into the housing, ensuring it seats correctly. Remember, do not touch the glass part of the new bulb with your bare fingers. With the new bulb securely in place, reattach the electrical connector firmly. Then, replace the round plastic or rubber access cover, ensuring it is properly sealed by turning it clockwise or pushing it back on. Finally, close your car's bonnet and turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. This simple process ensures your Fiat 500 is safely lit for the road ahead.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.